How to disable your Binance account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step method on how you can disable your Binance account temporarily. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Binance account and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to disable. So if you are trying to take a break from trading and just want to temporarily disable your account, then that is the best way. Um, Instead of deleting your account, you can just deactivate it. For that, first head over to the Binance icon on the top left, tap on your profile icon like this, or your username, and you'll be taken to your account center. Now you just want to head over to the security tab, and once you land on the security page, first thing you'll see is two-factor authentication. And if you scroll down, you'll have app authorization, account connections, devices, and finally manage account. Just tap on manage account. And here you have two options. First one is to disable your account, and the second one is to delete your account. So if you delete your account, once deleted, you will not be able to access it or view transaction histories. So all of your assets will be permanently deleted. But if you just want a short break from trading, then you can just disable your account. Your most actions will be restricted, such as logging in and trading. You can choose to unblock the account at any time, so it's very flexible. And this action will not delete your account, so you don't have to worry about your assets being deleted. So go ahead and tap on disable account. Now what it will do is all the pending withdrawals will be cancelled, all of the capacities of your account will be disabled, and all API keys of your account will be deleted, and so on. Tap on disable account. And now, once you are sure that you want to disable, it will approximately take 120 minutes to reactivate your account once you disable it. So just tap on OK and your account will be disabled. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.